How to see old stories on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see old stories on Facebook. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, simply scroll down and select settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and there under your activity section, you'll see the option labeled as activity lock. So just tap on it. And now here, once you're inside this section, what you can do is you can just tap on archive tab, which can be seen at the top of the screen. And now here, once you tap on it, on the next page at the top, you'll see the story archive tab. So you can just tap on it. And now here, once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the page where you'll be able to see all the old stories that you have posted on Facebook. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.